Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I want to scan the QR code on your Samsung Galaxy, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Literally, using the feature on your Samsung Galaxy A54, we'll be able to read the QR code, the password, and then the username, or whatever function the QR code stands for. So let's say I want to scan the QR code on my Samsung Galaxy A54 to connect to wireless. So this is the QR code. The QR code may be on your device and it may also be on a paper or at store where you want to scan the QR code. So what you need to do is simple. Just go ahead, open your phone camera, search for camera on your Samsung A54 5G, open it. Once open the camera, the next thing you want to do is you want to change to the back camera and then place the camera on the QR code like this. Now, once you place your device on the QR code like this, your A54 is going to scan the QR code. You see the QR code, and then this is the name of the QR code. If I click on it, then this is what I'm going to see. So the QR code is going to pop up on my Samsung Galaxy A54, and it's going to take me to wherever it is supposed to go. Now, another thing is this. You can also scan a QR code on your Samsung Galaxy A54 gallery. So let's suppose you have the particular QR code on your Samsung Galaxy A54, and I want to scan it. Then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open your gallery. So open the gallery app on your A54 5G, search through, and then locate the QR code. Let's say this is the QR code, or better still, click on search and then search for QR code. Select QR code, then you should see all your QR code here. Now, to scan the QR code directly from the Photos app or from your gallery on your Samsung Galaxy A54, select the QR code, then click on it. Then you should see the name of the QR code. Once you click on it, you can see this is my Wi-Fi. You can just choose to go ahead and connect to the network. If it's a website, you'll be prompted to go to the website. So click on connect to the network, and then you're good. You see that? So this is going to connect to the QR code on your Samsung A54. So that is exactly how to scan QR code on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.